In the heart of Rotorua, there's a place where broken devices find new life.
Help! I've fallen and I can't turn on.
Meet Chip, a once proud iPhone who's seen better days.
Will I ever work again?
But hope isn't lost. Not when Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles is on the job.
Don't worry, little guy. We'll have you up and running in no time.
With state-of-the-art tools and expert hands, the transformation begins.
A little adjustment here, a new screen there.
From cracked screens to battery woes, no job is too big or small.
I can feel my circuits buzzing already.
And the best part? It's all backed by a 1-year warranty.
There you go, good as new.
I'm alive, and my screen is crystal clear.
But Chip isn't the only one getting a new lease on life. Meet Lappy, a laptop with a broken hinge and a flickering screen.
Don't worry, Lappy. We've got just the tools for you.
And over here we have Sammy, a Samsung phone with a waterlogged circuit board.
A little drying out and some TLC will do the trick.
At Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles, we don't just fix phones, we restore connections.
Time to call my human and share the good news.
Our expert technicians are graduates from Toi Ohomai Institute of Technology.
We're trained to handle everything from simple screen replacements to complex motherboard issues.
And it's not just repairs, we also offer ex-leased and refurbished devices.
Quality tech doesn't have to break the bank.
Fast, reliable, and affordable. That's the Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles promise.
And we can vouch for that.
Another satisfied customer.
We've been serving Rotorua since 2014, with countless happy customers. From iPhones to gaming consoles, we've got you covered. Don't let a broken device disrupt your life. Choose Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles, where tech comes back to life.